Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious carrot rice that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and amazing carrot rice, these are the ingredients. I have 2 carrots, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. I have here 1 white onion, 2 cups of rice. This is everything we need, so let's get started. I am going to start first with my 2 large carrots. I'm going to cut the edges, and now I am ready to take and remove the skin of the carrot. Being very careful that I don't leave anything behind. Let me tell you, this is going to be my workout of the day because I am going to take the skin off of both carrots and then I am going to shred it. Yes, I'm going to shred it. And let me tell you, this rice comes out delicious. Perfect for meat, perfect for chicken, perfect for shrimp. You decide. It's an easy, delicious, no mess recipe. I am sure you're not going to have trouble making this amazing rice. Look at this. I am going to shred away. Of course, this is what takes longer, shredding my carrots. Once you have the carrots nice and shredded, then everything else goes very smooth. Be careful. Everything else is going to go very smooth, and this rice is going to be gone very quickly. Once you make it, you're going to really fall in love with it. Of course, I'm going to be using half an onion. The onion really gives this rice a delicious and amazing flavor. I'm only using half of the onion. You decide if you want to cut it in little squares or dice it really small or just slice it. You decide, but I am going to cut it in little squares and I'm going to add it to the same plate where I have my carrots. If you got up to this point of the video and you are loving this recipe, subscribe, be part of my family, be part of the growth of Cooking with Gloria. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter, and you know everything tastes delicious with butter. So I'm going to let the butter slowly melt away. And now I am ready to add the carrot and the onion. I am going to cook it in high heat for about 3 minutes, making sure that everything is incorporated, that you really see the butter bubbling in between the carrot and the onion. When this is happening, you could really smell the aroma of the onion and the carrot. Of course, this rice is going to become orange and the taste is going to be amazing. And if your little ones don't like carrots, well, let me tell you, this rice comes out sweet and you can even taste the carrot. I added the chicken bouillon. I added 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. And now I am ready to add the rice right on the top. When you add your rice, mix it in, incorporate it really good for a couple minutes, making sure that the rice gets coated with the butter, with the carrot and the onion. Once this is done, remember to always add hot water. You don't want to add cold water to your rice. When you are cooking rice, you need hot water. So for 2 cups of rice, I am using 4 cups of very hot water. This is the science. 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. Once you're already added all your water into your rice, then you are ready to just mix away. Lower your heat to medium low. Cover your pot, and then I'll see you back in about 15 minutes. No need to babysit this rice. Just cover it, let it simmer in medium low heat, and I'll see you back in 15 minutes. It's been almost 14 minutes, and look, you could barely see a little bit of liquid in the bottom. It's still bubbling, and now this is done. Look how beautiful this rice looks. My home smells amazing, and I am sure you're going to love this recipe. Please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, because once you make this rice, you are really going to enjoy it. I'm going to add it into this plate because, of course, the presentation needs to be perfect. It doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. It's really fluffy. It pulls apart. And of course, I am preparing this plate for the presentation. Look at this. Look how amazing this looks. If you work and you don't have time to make rice, well, let me tell you, this is the perfect recipe. I'll see you in a bit. Enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing carrot rice. This rice is perfect for any occasion. But this is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. It came out so fluffy, so delicious. And the flavor of the carrot, amazing. I am sure your family is going to love it. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. If you didn't, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing carrot rice. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.